Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and what I have here is my Homyhoo potato grow bag. I love these grow bags. I have been wanting to plant potatoes for several years and just never got around to it. But because these are so heavy, convenient, I am finally getting to grow my own potatoes. Now, we have a frost warning for tonight. I'm hoping it's the last one of the year. So I have not yet put my potatoes in here, but they are all ready with the dirt. The reason why I love these so much is, first of all, they come in 4 colors, which is perfect because I am going to be growing 3 different types of potatoes and strawberries. So you don't have to grow just potatoes in these bags. You can grow whatever you want. So you can actually pick them up and move them around your yard and follow the sun. And these handles are really durable. They are sewn on really well. And then when it comes to harvest time, they have a little window in the front. So you don't actually have to dig down to get your potatoes. You just unvelcro this window, which it's a very strong Velcro, so it's not going to come open when it rains or from the weight of the dirt. I really like that the bottom of the bag is a different type of fabric. It's not quite as thick as what the sides are, so the water can drain out without letting the soil, the dirt, all the nutrients drain out as well. I'm really excited to see exactly how many potatoes I'm going to get this year as soon as this frost is done. And it's all thanks to these Homyhoo potato grow bags. And that's my point of view.